Here we go, adding that fucking piece of loose leaf paper.
What's that boat weigh? Like
weighs like 380 or something.
380. Yeah, a lot of lasers came in at that back in the day.
You can't stand on it. You put your beer on it, the whole deck bows in.
That beer?
Yeah. And they used to run top end with the boat. That boat's been like 119.
Yeah.
They went down that way. Yeah. With Ash. Oh, here he goes. Here's Peanut.
Sure. Oh, he's just
Where's Beef? Surprised he ain't out there yet.
Yeah, really.
Could wax that ass. Pack the trailer.
Yeah. You're not videotaping now, right?
Yeah, I am.
Oh, you are. The sound picks up. Yeah, Peanut said he broke that motor in here yesterday.
Yeah, we'll see.
Yeah, a few minutes, that was it.
He said he built it and put the pistons in backwards too.
Oh, really?
And then he had to take them out.
I was calling popcorn last night.
Huh?
I was calling popcorn.